Afrika, tucheze wana wa Simba, tucheze wana wa Simba, tucheze wana wa Simba.
Kalangala district has 84 islands northwest of Lake Victoria. Of the 84 islands, Bugala has the ideal and direct access to the mainland through the ferry services to Masaka and Entebbe Nachiwogo landing site. It should be noted that Bugala is the biggest island of the islands that make up Kalangala district in Uganda. Transport on this island is by various means. The means found both on land, water, except for rail and air transport. Since this district comprises of mostly water as compared to land, Lake Victoria water transport tends to be the skyrocket measure of transport. At Bugala Island, a good number of water vessels have specific routes, including the giant MV Kalangala, which is the largest vessel on this lake, carrying more than 10,000 tons of cargo and hundreds of passengers. This travels from Nachiwogo landing site to Lotoboka, Bugala Island. Kalangala can also be accessed through Masaka with MV Sese and MV Pearl ferries. These are public means of transport, offering free services to the people of Kalangala on a daily basis. Once the vessel horns, passengers hurry to get inside. Time management is a paramount aspect to every traveler. Once the vessel is missed by a second, one ought to wait for longer hours until its return. Other water travelers use wooden boats, but these are said to be risky, mostly in rainy seasons, where wind sometimes makes rocks to hit over rocks and people end up drowning into the lake. Besides drowning of boats, water transport is also challenged by licensed and uninsured boats, lack of enough supervision on the water bodies, limited number of rescue teams in case of any emergency. The marine police, with its little strength, checks for smuggling rather than safety on the lake. Side of the road transport on this island, there is a direct connection between land and the lake, and this is a Maram road that connects directly into Kalangala town. And here are people and companies that provide services for the smooth running of these various means of transport. Motorcycles, saloon cars and heavy trucks find their fuel from various spots, including Starbucks, one of the giant companies in the country. These transport fuel from the capital city to this island, facilitating all the commonly used means of transport on this island, which makes fuel to be among the mostly profitable businesses on this island. Road transport from Bugala Island to Bugoma, a major exit point that leads to Masaka mainland, is in a sorry state, comprising of dust and potholes that damage vehicles. In a rainy season, some tourists get stuck along the way due to slippery roads on this island.